My name is Will Clemens. I'm the Project Services Division Manager. I manage the guys, I keep customer relations together, product ordering, plant ordering, pretty much just grease the gears and make things turn. So I manage the project department. Been in the industry about 15 years. There was a nursery initially, a lawn care crew for a little while, just kind of basic things. I've been with Gabrus for about 12 of those 15. I was an ISA certified arborist until a couple years ago. There was an issue with their system and I didn't get recertified even though I had the credits. So I'm an ICPI certified paver installer. I'm an NCMA certified retaining wall installer. I am a licensed pesticide applicator, and I've got a certificate in turf and landscape management. I work during the week, so during the weekends I tend to hang out at the house, play games, watch movies, read books, hang out with my dog, go to the river, pretty much anything lax. Hobbies, I have wind up with projects. I've got all kinds of house plants. I do woodworking. I work and refurbish my tables, and it's kind of like projects one after the other. So.
Will Clemens, Project Division Manager.
Wow.